Welcome back to eCreativeAid. Acne scars are really annoying, especially if you look at them in the mirror. They may affect your self-esteem or make you think that you're less beautiful than others. Today, I'm gonna show you a home remedy made up of 3 simple ingredients. The first ingredient is baking soda. You may ask, how exactly can baking soda help with removing scars? Well, it balances your pH and acts as a natural exfoliator. In doing so, it eliminates dead skin cells and leaves you refreshed without damaging the skin around the scars. The second ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is great for acne scars, specifically because it contains curcumin, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce excess production of melanin, which adds pigmentation to your scars and makes it darker. This treats discoloration and helps skin glow. It's also antiseptic, so it smooths your skin without irritation. So, to do the home remedy, you need to use 3 parts water and 1 part baking soda and 1 part turmeric. Make a paste and scrub it on the affected area. Then, leave it on for 10 minutes. After that, rinse it thoroughly and gently. Repeat this home remedy twice a week. And thank you for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.